Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a saved search alert on OfferUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're constantly checking OfferUp and you want to go ahead and set up a saved search alert. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first let's open up OfferUp, and then next what we're going to do is that on the search bar you're going to make a search. So let's type in, for example, Pokemon cards, and then once you make that search, this is the really important step, guys. On the upper right hand corner you want to click on the bell icon with the magnifying glass. This is going to set up a search alert. Now with your search alerts, you basically can access them by going into your profile on the bottom right hand corner and then clicking on search alerts, and there you have it. You now have a saved search alert for Pokemon cards. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up a saved search alert on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next